45 years old female is in menopause. This is the uterus longitudinal section with multiple fibroids. She is infertile, couldn't give birth to any baby because of these intramural submucosal multiple fibroids within it. And this is the urinary bladder. The uterus measures 10 into 5.2 centimeter is an eye, and the echogenicity is, you see, this is a fibroid again. Echogenicity is diffusely decreased. This is a fibroid. Endometrial lining is not seen clearly now in the center. Multiple punctate tiny calcifications are seen. Now, when I move the probe towards the transversely, we see cystic mass, thick-walled cystic mass. Now, this is a wall of this cystic mass, approximately measuring 10 mm, and you see strong back wall, and because of increased through transmission, this is the cystic area which is echo-filled. There are polypoidal shaped areas seen hanging from its wall. They are fixed on with the anterior wall, with the right lateral wall, and you see it's vascular. The vessels are seen within these polypoidal solid masses. Now this is a solid area, irregularly outlined, fixed with the interior wall. See the vascularity within it, and it's very much suspicious for being aggressive in nature, and the follow-up is mandatory in this case. Now, this is the left ovary, and strong back wall. So findings, almost all the findings are in favor of the aggressive pathology on the left side. This is the right ovary. This is the right ovary. It's okay. There is no fluid seen, significant amount of fluid seen, and in the pelvic cavity. And this is our case of the day, which is an aggressive left ovarian cystic mass of aggressive nature. Thank you very much.